that was a kind of a delicate little operation. I was a little bit nervous myself about doing that, but I took, you know, using my micro adjuster, I took just really small bites, so it wasn't too bad. A little nervous, but not too bad. But it gave me a nice, clean edge now. That's what I was looking for. You can see that edge is nice and smooth. You know, I've been working on this and I haven't even thought to check to make sure it's going to fit. That's nice. Real nice. So, that opening right there is about an inch. Okay, I'm going to use these. My first thought was to use these as a knob, but they're too big. So I'm going to use these thumb wheels. They should work fine. I'm going to drill my hole a 1/2 inch from this end and then 2 inches on center, going this way. And that way, when I build my spacers, and I'm going to use solid wood spacers in here to give this a positive registration, rather than you know, like bushings or something like that. I think that'll work out a lot better. So let me drill these holes, matching holes, and then we'll figure out what we need for spacers.